In 1910, we began manufacturing tools in Spain with the goal of delivering the highest quality. More than a century later, we are a European reference in cutting tools production present in over 90 countries and the same unwavering commitment to craft each piece as if it were the most important one. At Izar, we know you are not just buying a drill bit, an end mill, a tap. You expect it performed flawlessly to arrive on time and deliver 100% every time. That's why we combine our extensive experience and expertise with state-of-the-art technology in order to offer robust and efficient tools. We control every stage of the production process, ensuring precision, quality, and durability. We offer an extensive range of over 65,000 items, providing solutions for sectors as diverse as automotive, aerospace, renewable energy, construction, and maintenance. We are constantly moving forward, investing over €2 million each year in cutting-edge equipment, refining every tool and enhancing your experience. And if the tool you need doesn't exist yet, don't worry. We'll design and manufacture it to your specifications with absolute precision. Do you need a fast solution? Rely on our service commitment. 24-hour delivery in Spain, France and Portugal, and 24 to 48 hours for the rest of the EU, with expansion to new regions underway. Because at Izar, behind every tool, there are dedicated people. We are a social economy company where every individual takes an active role in our decisions, because we firmly believe in teamwork and in the values that define us. That's why we are different. That's why choosing Izar means experience, reliability, and our focus on customer satisfaction.